Hello, I should like to greet everyone. My name is Mislav Godanj and I'm a student of archaeology, the first year in University of Zagreb. And today I'm going to talk about something we did for the past few days. We got into a group including Vanya and Anastasia, and we were working with Mr. Petros, so I should like to thank him too. We were working on auguring, and we were collecting the samples of earth which we used to determine the possible occupational layers. And I want to include the BH5, in which we found around of 90 centimeters of occupational horizon. In this workshop we also did other things. It was working in lab where we actually measured the pH of the samples we got, and we actually worked on microscope, which was very fun and very interesting, and we also learned new things. The thing I want to say again is that we actually worked on excavations too, which is very interesting for me because this is my first field work, and I think that I couldn't have gotten a better team to work with. And it was actually very awesome being here because I met a lot of wonderful people, a lot of people having different interests than I do, but we also got that way of communication. It was really nice here, and I should like to thank everyone, and I'm really hoping to use those methods that I learned and to see you in near future as a colleagues. Thank you.